guys, this is this is Big Bunnies. I'm gonna be filming a game called Just Cause. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy. Oh, and Mom, if you're watching this, I love you. I can't get my camera. There we go. Wait. I'm using a bamboo stick to hold up this camera. What the heck? Ah! Okay, guys. I'm back. Wingsuit!
I was gonna make a scene. Wow.
Woo!
I do want to circle back to that story, but we might miss the wedding ourselves if we get back on that flight. Greg, I'm sure the man is fine. Actually,
Oh God!
this
Ow!
is San Diego. That's all.
Okay, honey, we're going to the hospital.
Here.
I gotta make this right.
Greg,
Making it right?
seems my husband is riddled with both Jewish and Catholic guilt, even though his family is neither. Man, this sucks. I could be a combo making love to some bomb-ass carnitas right now.
Well, look, I'm gonna be quick, okay? I'm just gonna give me these chocolates, then I'm gonna do a very respectful, traditional Japanese bow at a song Kung Fu film, okay?
Okay, cool. Hey, look, remember what I told you about old people? Don't touch
Ooh, what's this? Whoa! Wait. Okay.
Max. Gotta keep this on.
Oh, I hate that thing. Thank God.
Let's go.
We're alive. Wow, okay. Hi, I'm Greg from the...
Oh no! Oh no! Oh God! Ow! Ow!
Don't worry, none of them have coconut.
I need a car.
And everyone. Hey, Art. This is the guy who gave me the coconut.
Oh, Max was just telling me about you.
Oh, all good things, I hope. Well, anyways, I just
Ooh,
wanted
motorcycle.
to apologize again for almost killing you. Unless, of course, the doctors, found something worse when they brought you here, like cancer, in which case you'd be thanking me.
Thanking you. Took him 4 tries to insert a catheter.
Woo! It's a motorcycle!
This is going about as well.
Woo! Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ow! Oh! Ow! Ow!
Fine, here, keep up the combo.
You! What?
I'm just bringing
What
you
in the?
No biggie, you're forgiven for Max and his lover here.
What?
Damn it.
And I should inform you that
Let's
we're
go!
sorry for the pain and suffering that you've caused my client. Thank you for the confession.
Yeah! Ow!
Which I just recorded.
Oh my gosh! I'm so bad at this.
According to California Penal Code 632, you can't record
Wait,
it
what?
without him agreeing to it first.
Oh.
As a two-party consent state, so you have nothing.
Ooh!
You just got
Let's
stung by my
see
lover.
here. What's this? Oh my God!
Okay, well, let me do my vow.
Okay. All right. All right. That's amazing. That's amazing.
Okay, so my job is done here. I apologize.
Okay.
You forgave me, so we'll just go.
No, I'm suing you.
Oh, come on, man. I already said I did it.
Oh my God, Greg. Okay, let's go.
Oh, hey, sir.
I know. Okay, it's just, I felt so guilty, and I just wanted to make it right.
I know, and I love that about you, honey. I do. But you have to be careful, okay? Mommy likes having money in the bank, mostly because she.
Oh my God.
I should have just when I wrote.
Wait, be right back. Okay. I'm gonna escape the area. What the heck? What? 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 What was that? Ow! Stop. Stop. Ow! What the heck? Are you kidding me? Okay, so this is what's gonna go down. You're gonna go. Okay. Here. I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna. Ow! Stop. Stop. Eat this. No. 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 Stop it. I'm gonna get a boat. Yay! Ooh. That was amazing. Now I'm gonna get a boat. Oh, is that the bad boat? Ow! Who's shooting at me? Stop it! You meanie! I hate you. You're so rude. Oh my gosh. The rudest. Bye-bye, suckers. I rule this world and you don't. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, dang it. I'm in the sea. I'm just gonna... Okay, there's a deer right here, and I just found it dead, so I'm gonna... It's over there now.
Sorry to say, she didn't make it.
She's right here. Oh, your dog swallowed the ring. Oh, remind me when I'm done here to call the little girl who brought the bunny.
We need to get the ring. We're on our way to our son's wedding.
I was on my way to real medical school until my parents ran out of money, so we all have our stories.
Anyway, we just need to make a little incision in her belly.
Well, we can make it real small, guys. She's a show dog. Apparently, she's got some very special teeth.
Hard for me to judge without seeing her in a cheerleading outfit. But I do know she
Okay.
won't be winning any awards if she has a scar.
Doc, are there any other options?
Where'd it go?
Good wait, see if she passes.
Is it in the water?
We'll wait.
But I should warn you, if the ring moves into the dog's colon, the surgery gets more complicated.
Do you mind?
Go away, tree.
I don't mind at all. I actually
Stupid.
find it
Dang.
convenient. That's
Tree. Okay. You got in my way, so I'm gonna blow you up with some C4, okay? Just let it happen. Huh. Jeez.
Joni, we need to get this ring out of the tank without surgery. You're not driving.
It's always beautiful, okay?
I don't understand your obsession now with dog shows. It's like when you
Oh, God.
and then change your mind halfway through the haircut.
Oh, come on, Joni. Ever since I retired, I've been kind of just like
Let's
feeling
go.
weird. I mean, you got your book, you've got
Woo.
patients, children, I got a wooden puppet and PTSD.
No, you got me. And I'm gonna find something.
You come with me, okay?
They don't give out ribbons.
You come with me, cow. We are gonna have quite some time.
Why is that being a world biggest pain in the
I'm gonna go get a car, but I'm gonna bring you with me, okay?
I forgot. I'm the one that gets sick of these curvy car rides.
Alright.
Oh. Oh. Sorry, buddy.
How fast is that car?
Just need to administer the anesthesia, and then we can get her into surgery. What do you think tank weighs? Like,
Give me the car now. What?
Stop. You
Wait.
can't do this.
you saw the Yelp reviews.
No, I can't take away.
How do you-
this dream. No, honey. I want you to have something that you're passionate.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, look, your dog did my job for me.
She pooped it out. Do I smell it?
Woo.
Pooping blue ribbon.
Okay,
No, you never give up. What are you talking about? You've got Russian people who like you.
This is not something that can be fixed by asking how vodka is made.
Go to get Baca from? No, Baca is.
Buddy Zachary.
Yeah, it's stage name.
this better not fall. What the heck? There we go. Let's go. But this cow, you go on top of here.
See? This place is romantic.
Right up here. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, stop. Car. 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 I need to get his butt. Car. Car.
I only have one day
Car.
left for both of us to share.
Car.
Any luck with the other one?
What the heck?
So we're both.
Car.
And apparently my family
Stop moving. Whatever. Let's go, cow.
of everyone.
Woo, I have a cow on the top of my truck.
Well, the cherry on top of our crap sundae is the Tank H wedding ring.
Hey, there's a cow over there. Hey, how you doing? I want to give you a hug.
Oh, it gets worse.
I give really nice hugs. Woo! Ah! Ah!
How you do it? I just don't know.
He just
I mean, it's like this
he hit my car. Why'd he do that? Why did he hit my car?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get out.
Honey, wait, no, that's not the clock. What's that?
We're not getting married, Dad.
What?
Look at the signs. They are all around us. The universe doesn't want us to get married.
No, come on, no, you can't go dark. You can't go dark, that's my thing. No, you're the one who goes, hi.
I got nothing.
Why did I just see?
Stay here and drink this free champagne.
Guys, what are you? They're my partners. Oh, there's bad people down there. Well, screw you. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm putting out C4. Yeah, you like that? Of course you do. Where are you? What? Screw you! Grenade! Ha! Is that how you like it? Nice and juicy?